Now we look at how and when you can call this angel. Now you can see the sigil of Vahuya on the screen. You have to focus on the sigil. Don't look anywhere else. Only in that white portion of that picture, you look at that part only. The outside, you don't need to look at that. And you need to scan it with your eyes. How do you scan with your eyes? See, this language is Malaki and it is written from right to left, not from left to right like in English or Hindi. So this is written from left to right. So when you read it, you have to read it in the same way. So that means you have to scan it from right to left. That is how your eyes need to go. So first you look at the right point and then you move your eyes towards the left. That is how you need to scan. When you do this, you don't think of anything else. You only focus on what you see on the screen, those letters inside the white circle. You focus only on that. And then you say, you breathe. You breathe in and breathe out. Then you say, by the power of Vahuya, I accept the spiritual truth that warns us that the problems we encounter in life are due to our past actions. I wake up in my heart the remorse for the previous actions that have caused pain. Focusing on Vahuya, I now eradicate the previously planted negative seeds, and in doing so, I transform what was, renew my present, and create a future of fulfillment and joy. Now we move on to the psalm. So on the screen now you can see I have given the psalm in English, in Hebrew, and in Hindi. Now I will say the psalm in English first and then I will say in Hebrew. In Hindi I will not be saying because my pronunciation may not be right. So those of you who can read Hindi, please go and read it, and when you get the PDF you will get this whole thing in the PDF. So you can follow that and you can choose which language you want to say the psalm in. Now when you are saying the psalm, you have to say it 11 times or 33 times. Just remember these two numbers. You either say it 11 times or you say it 33 times. So this is how you call the angel. And once you have done this, the angel's presence will be around you. That is the time when you can ask, you can say whatever you want. You can say like, to remove whatever negativity is there around me. All that you can say in your own language. That you can do it in your own language. Whatever language is comfortable for you, you can do that. But this part, you have to do it in either one of the languages. The same thing you have to say. The prayer which we said before and also the psalms which we are going to say now. So let me recite the English one first. These are psalms. They don't have any particular meaning. So you just need to take it in the sense however it is given. So let's start with the English. But thou, O Lord, art a shield for me, my glory and the lifter of mine head. Now in Hebrew, I'm going to say in Hebrew, you have to listen to the pronunciation. Beta Adonai Magen Badi Kevodi Umerim Roshi.